How to fix Snapchat camera problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix the Snapchat camera issue, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're not being able to use the camera app for Snapchat app, then that could be quite an issue over here. So first of all, let us check. I will open up Snapchat and here you can see my back camera is working just fine and my front camera is also working just fine. But if for some reason it's not working in yours, it's most likely because you have turned off camera permissions. Now you might be asked to allow the camera access right when you try to access the Snapchat camera, but if you accidentally set on don't allow, what you can do from here is you can just go and launch a settings application. Once you launch a settings app, you want to simply look for the option called apps, and when you go to apps, simply search for the application called Snapchat here. Once you go to Snapchat, go to permissions and go to camera and make sure to select allow while using the app, because if you set it as don't allow or ask every time, in that case Snapchat will not be able to access your camera at all. And another side note is that also make sure that your camera is working just fine. You can try to open the default camera app to check if your camera is working just fine. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.